Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel, Big Mark Adventures. Welcome to Maymont Park, Richmond, Virginia. Been a while since I've been to this park, so just follow me and we'll just see where the trails takes us. And it's not an ordinary park, but this park has some animals and wildlife here as well. So follow me and we'll just see where it goes. All right, now we're walking down the first set of trails. It's been a long time since I've been here. It's almost like I don't remember none of this. But I do remember that it's pretty hilly. It's got some hills here too as well. I just don't recall none of this stuff right here. The Italian gardens, Japanese gardens this way. I do remember the Japanese gardens. We might be coming in at a different side of the park. It's probably why I don't remember it so much. Watch your steps when you come here. I'm gonna take a look at the waterfall. Oh, I do remember this part right here. I do know that Maymont is pretty well landscaped as well. Check it out here. Check out this little overview right here. Nice shot of the banana tree right there. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think the trails go all the way down towards the bottom around there. Like I said, this place is real hilly. It has a lot of hills. Another place, if you want to get your fitness in and cardio, come here. I'm gonna take a walk over here by the gardens. There's pretty nice gardens over here. Very well landscaped and maintained. Some elephant ears. A nice little waterfall over here I'm gonna get a shot of as well. See? And it goes all the way down to the bottom, to the creek. Zoom in just a little pad. Yeah, maybe a little bit better. I think there's a Japanese gardens down towards the bottom. We'll head on down over there in a minute. Now, I really don't know how long this park's been here. I haven't really done a whole lot of research on it. But I know I've been here a lot since I was a kid. And it's just been I think a lot of changes since I've been here. So we'll just see where these trails takes us. See what the sign says right here. The Maymont Mansion is that way. So I think the original way that we normally used to come in is from this trail right here, because that's where the nature center is, where I think you can feed goats and stuff. But so I think we're just gonna go down the opposite way. We'll just go down this way, down this hill. Pretty sure we can go down this way. I'm guessing this way will lead us to the Japanese garden. You gotta watch your step. we'll just make a right over here. Yeah, ain't going down that way. That is a shortcut down through here if you want to go that way. Yeah, I think we're going to try to make this little shortcut path right here. You're going to go down the hard way. Just watch it. Yeah, have to be very careful walking down these little trails right here. I don't recommend these trails for cardio, but if you're climbing upwards, you'll get your steps in for sure. There's an awesome shot of some bamboo trees right here. So yeah, I think we are getting close to the Japanese style garden down here. It looks awesome if you haven't seen one. Show you guys what it looks like. See, it says Japanese style garden this way. Right here. I love to look at this tree right here in the middle. Here's a shot of the waterfall from the bottom. I think right there, that little tower right there, I think is a lookout where you can, I guess you can stand in there and just look out this way. All these lovely little rock formations right here. I think here's the bridge where we can cross over to get to the garden. Or we might take this path here a little bit. I'm gonna probably go this way, see what's down here. I haven't taken all the paths since I've been to Maymont in the past, but we normally take the path of the Japanese garden. But I want to see what's down this way. To be honest with you, I don't think it's going to lead anywhere else that much. I don't know what kind of tree this is. The Pinus tadia. Loblolly pine. I don't know what the hell that means. I think this one trail right here just kind of goes around the long way to the same location. Kind of like a little windy path down through here. I do know one thing, the water is really dirty. I'll check in with you guys when we get closer to the gardens, or if we see anything else interesting along the path. Now, I don't think right here is the Japanese garden. I think it's over on the other side. But we'll just go ahead and maybe take this bridge over across. Got a lot of lily pads over here. Right there. Huh. Hearing something over there on the other side of that fence. Alright, now we're gonna come across and walk across this little, I think this is a Japanese style bridge right here. Oh crap.
Don't fall now.
Yeah, be careful. If I fall, it's gonna be a lawsuit on this part. Oh, nice dragonflies. What a cool looking dragonfly, huh? Yeah. I think we need to cross that bridge, that Japanese style bridge to get to the garden. All right, now I'm gonna attempt to walk across these lily pads. And make sure you watch your step. That was exhilarating. I think we're gonna make our way over to where that gazebo is. I think we just got to walk across this trail going this way. All right, we'll see some more bamboo trees right here. I guess right here, this is supposed to be a fountain. I guess a water fountain right here. It's turned off. All right, we're going back up here, y'all. One good thing about Maymont Park, there's plenty of shade. Today's actually a good day to come out because it's in the mid 80s right now. But I think maybe the summer or the fall, early fall might be the best time to come out here, I guess. If you want the experience of all the trees and the plants still bloomed. Yeah, you'll definitely get your heart rate up coming here. Oh, we'll see you when we get to the top. Still going uphill. Dig those glutes into the ground. You'll get a good glute, quad, and ham workout doing this. Yeah, I think when we get up to the top, to the flat surface, I'll take you around to the other side. And we're almost there. I'd like to know how much Parks and Recreations pay here. I know it'll be a pain in the hind part to work these hills, but yeah, there we go. It's flat surface. Yeah, I think we came out where we started from, pretty much. Yeah, and we came out pretty much right where we started from at the gate, because that's the gate that we came in from. So instead of making this turn right here, this is where we came in. We'll just go straight on to the other end, because I think that's where the nature center is at. So we'll just see what's going on down here. Yeah, got some nice mansions and housings sitting on the property here. I don't think anybody lives here. It just looks nice for what they have, architect-wise and stuff like that. There's a nice little fountain right there, but I wish it was turned on. So we're gonna go down here towards the nature center, see if we can see some animals up here. I've never seen this here either. Maymont Foundation benefactors. Flagler Foundation, Mr. and Mrs. William B. Tallheimer Jr., Marietta Morgan, and Samuel T. Morgan Jr. Foundation. I guess this is all the, corporations and people that they associate with, I believe. That's interesting. And over here you got the founders. That's pretty cool. And over here we got some stagecoach carriers over here. Park drag. I don't know a whole lot about Western stagecoaches, but it does look pretty cool sitting in here. That's awesome. Now I will tell you, if you got kids, you want to wear them out, there's a plenty of field here they can run around in. Get some exercise, and by the time they get home, I guarantee they'll drop like a rock. Especially after you got them walking the hills and they still want to play up in here. Oh yeah, they'll be dead. They'll drop. You see these little kids playing in this little tree right here. You know, it's interesting, they got all these trees right here along the walkway. And I don't know if they're purposely cut out this way, but it's really climbable. And they got benches sitting inside these trees where kids, anybody can climb up on it. Huh. Pretty. Don't fall, Gabs. Yeah, it's just awesome scenery here. Pretty well landscaped, like I said earlier in the vlog. You feel like a cat stuck up in the tree, huh? Don't go too far up, Gabby.
I'm trying to get back down.
I guess you can come back down the same way you came up. There you go. All right, I think the nature center's down this way. feel like we're doing a lot of zigzagging today, but I don't remember it being on this end of the park, but it might be. The sign back there said make a right to the nature center, so that's where we're going to head to. I hope it's not as far as we think it is. I don't know. I'm hoping that's not the nature center over there. Might have to make a cut over on this side. See what the sign says. Hey, I think it is the nature center. That's a long walk. Yeah, that is the nature center and the wildlife exhibits. I guess we'll head on down that way, I guess. Hey, we still got a little bit to go. Walk down these hills and walk up a hill. I don't know, whoever built Maymont Park should be ashamed of themselves making all these hills. I don't know why they couldn't make a park a little bit more flatter. But I don't know. Till we get to the nature center, I'm thinking about wrapping up this vlog right here of the, the trails and the walking around part, and do the nature center on a separate vlog, just to keep the video length a little bit shorter, so it would take a little bit quicker to upload. I don't know, for some reason trying to upload a YouTube video, a long form content YouTube video on a phone, I think on any device really, it's gonna take a good little while to do. I think I might just split it up and just do another vlog on it. Just keep the content a little bit shorter. Try to keep it under about 20, 25 minutes or so. So I think we're up here coming up here on the nature center. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, just do 2 separate vlogs. So I'll wrap up this part of the walking vlog, and we'll see you on to the nature center's vlog and the animals. Take care, guys. Oh,